guys and welcome to a True Talk with Tea. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. आज मैं आपको एक real life story सुनाऊंगी. My real life story of when I was in 12th standard, 11th standard actually, and how I used to hate accounting. How I got literally 8 on 80 in my first ever accounts paper, and still I managed to give CFA because I actually started liking accounting. So for all of you people who are trying to find a career, who are confused, what should we do? We don't know what we like. We're not very sure of what we should do. I think you should hear out the story. Shayad by the end of it you find some answers. So let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny bit, to join Karuna community ko by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the people who are already a part of this channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. So basically, after my 10th standard, I continued with schooling because I was in the ICSE board, so I wanted to do ISC, like I wanted to do the 10 plus 2 system. Honestly, my mom was very keen ki 10 plus 2 system hona chahiye because that's what she did when she was younger, because wo Delhi mein thi, so CBSE board mein to it was very common. So she wanted ki I also do that, and I did. I did the ISC board in 11th and 12th, and I was very sure कि मुझे commerce ही करना है. Science तो was out of the question. I was not interested. मैंने 9th-10th में science drop कर लिया था. And arts, honestly, I was interested, but then somebody told me कि इतना ज़्यादा theory है, and I was not a very big fan of theory. Sometimes, till date, I regret that decision because I feel कि शायद I would have done very well in subjects like psychology. Like I could have made a future out of it. बट वो थियोरी के डर से मैंने छोड़ दिया. थियोरी के डर से मैंने वैसे लॉ भी नहीं किया था अपनी लाइफ में. या समटाइम्स वी मेक दोस डिसीजंस, बट एनीवे, सो आई वाज वेरी श्योर कि मुझे कॉमर्स करना है. एंड इसके पीछे भी एक रीज़न था बिकॉज फ्रॉम माई 9th-10th आई रियली लाइक्ड इकोनॉमिक्स. आई लाइक्ड इट सो मच. आई वाज लाइक आई वांट टू डू माई ओन बिजनेस इन लाइफ इन द फ्यूचर. तो इकोनॉमिक्स काम का आएगा. एंड मैथ्स इज समथिंग आई ऑलवेज लाइक्ड. आई हैव बीन कंफर्टेबल विद नंबर्स, तो मैंने कहा मैथ्स तो कर ही लेंगे. अब यहाँ पे आता है अकाउंटिंग. आई वाज लाइक मुझे अकाउंटिंग नहीं करना. एंड माय मॉम वाज लाइक नहीं करना मतलब क्या? कॉमर्स के साथ इट इज अ गिवन कि यू हैव टू डू अकाउंटिंग. लाइक हाँ, पर मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे नहीं करना. मैंने बहुत जिद किया था, बट देयर वाज नो वे आउट. सो मैं आई ISC. मैन आई जॉइंड अ लिटिल लेट. आई वाज आई थिंक अ मंथ लेट इन जॉइनिंग. क्या रीजन था एग्जैक्टली? बिकॉज हाँ, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था कि शुड आई डू कॉलेज और शुड आई डू ISC. एंड आई वाज ऑल्सो नॉट हियर. आई वाज एक्चुअली आउट ऑफ टाउन. सो देन आई जॉइंड अ लिटिल लेट ओनली, which is fine. Anyway, and also late because हमारे यहाँ पे पोदार स्कूल में I was there, and उसमें क्या होता था, they used to start studying right after your boards. मतलब एक month की पढ़ाई होती थी, but that month I was not sure where I want to go, so that's why I didn't join that. So I joined it like after all the results and everything came out. And by the way, I scored well in my 10th. तो भी my mom was very sure कि नहीं ISC करना है. तो anyway, so which by the way, sorry, very out of context, but I think doing ISC was like one of the best decisions of my life. So in case you have the chance to do a 10 plus 2 system, go for it. You're not gonna regret it. So yeah, मैं आ गई and accounting तो करना ही था. There was no choice. And my accounting teacher, very amazing teacher in the sense कि जो पढ़ाती थी बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाती थी, but she was not the nicest person on planet Earth. Let's just put it out that way. थोड़ी सी rude भी थी. Not everybody loved her that way. She was not very kind in her overall approach, but a very, very brilliant teacher. Like if she likes you, oh my god, she's gonna love you. And if you're not good in a subject, तो भाई don't even think about it. But anyway, I was like मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, कैसे तैसे बाद में बोर्ड में पास हो जाऊंगी, but मुझे नहीं पढ़ना. I remember I used to go for this tuition class, and this same tuition teacher of mine who I absolutely love, मैं 9th-10th से उनके पास जाती थी. हमारा पूरा, we were 3-4 people who continued in 11th-12th also. And I remember हम accounting भी कर रहे थे उनके साथ. And she was getting mad at the other 2 girls कि why you didn't do your homework. She didn't get mad at me because I don't know, I'll tell you the answer. And they were like कि आप उसको क्यों कुछ नहीं बोल रहे? And she's like because I know कि जब तक उसको मन से नहीं आएगा वो नहीं करेगी. Let her be. Like that was the level I didn't want to do accounting का thought. No specific reason. मुझे बस था कि मुझे CA थोड़ी करना है, तो I don't need accounting. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. I was very change averse in life, to be honest. Am change averse. But anyway, then came our first exam and I scored 8 on 80. Embarrassing, very. मतलब टोटल इंटरनल मार्क्स मिला के मुझे 14 on 100 मिला था. थैंकफुली उस टाइम पे कोई पासिंग फेलिंग नहीं होता था 11th स्टैंडर्ड में. एंड इट वाज सो स्ट्रेंज बिकॉज हाँ आई हैड वेरी लिटिल टाइम टू स्टडी बिकॉज हमारा बहुत जल्दी से एक टेस्ट काइंड ऑफ किया था. एंड ये तो फिर भी मतलब मैथ्स जस्ट बिकॉज आई लाइक इट आई गॉट क्वाइट गुड. मतलब पूरे क्लास सब फेल हुई है मैथ्स में, उसमें मेरे अच्छे आ गए, और ये जिसमें सबके अच्छे आ गए मेरे बहुत खराब आ गए. एंड आई रिमेंबर वी गॉट द रिजल्ट, वी वर ऑन अ फैमिली हॉलीडे, लाइक अ फैमिली गेट अवे, हॉलीडे भी नहीं बोल सकते, टू गो इन गोवा. एंड माई मॉम को फोन आया बिकॉज उस टाइम पे यू नो ऑल द मार्क्स यूज्ड टू कम ऑन व्हाट्सएप एंड लाइक पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू बी इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट इट. सो माई मॉम गॉट द कॉल from my class teacher who was the accounting teacher who was not very kind, and she told my mom, this is the marks your daughter has got. And my mom was like, okay, so she's trying to explain to me कि अच्छे marks नहीं है, although I got very good in the other subjects, so she knew, but she's like you can't run away, या तो फिर commerce मत करो because ये subject तो है, ऐसे नहीं कि नहीं करना क्या होता है, because I don't know, maybe मेरे को दिमाग में बहुत ये था कि accounting करूँगी तो मुझे CA ही करना पड़ेगा. So I was like नहीं नहीं नहीं. I remember मैं pool में थी and my mother and my sisters were sitting outside and they were like and I was like हाँ मुझे नहीं accounting मत बोलो, बाकी मैं सब कर लूँगी, ये मुझे करना नहीं. ये अजीब सी कोई जिद पकड़ी थी मैंने, no sense actually. And then हम वापस आए and there was a PTA. So my mother had gone, I did not go, मेरा tuition class था. So my mom had gone and this teacher ने actually मेरी mom को बहुत ऐसे खराब चीज़ें बोली थी कि if this is the score she's getting in accounts, then how will she manage ISC? Because ISC was very tough as compared to the regular HSC board. Nothing against it, but basically syllabus उनका थोड़ा वैसे होता है. And even the approach is a little strict. So she's like, oh, SSC करके, and you know, I don't think she's meant here and all these things. She didn't bother about all the good grades. So my mother has come home and I've asked her कि what did she say and everything. तो मम्मा ने अच्छी चीज़ें बोली. She didn't want to tell me that at that point because I was going for my tuition class. उनका बाद में बात करेंगे. And I was like, नहीं मुझे पता, मुझे थोड़ा लग तो रहा था कि कुछ शायद बोला होगा उन्होंने. तो मम्मा told me this and I was very taken aback क्योंकि किसी टीचर ने लाइफ में मेरी बुराई नहीं की थी कभी. Like I was always a good student, you know. तो मुझे बहुत धक्का लगा. And I was like, उसने मेरी मम्मा को ये क्यों बोला? So I went for my tuition class and I remember telling my tuition teacher that day, Bharti miss मेरी tuition teacher, was like, I need to prove this lady wrong. How dare she say कि मुझसे नहीं होगा? And how does she tell my mother this? And that was the day मैंने इतनी मेहनत की accounting में. Suddenly मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता चला, it became my most favorite subject out of the entire syllabus, to the extent कि जब मेरे board exams थे, my tuition teacher had to confiscate my accounting books. I'm not even joking, confiscate my accounting books क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ accounts पढ़ती थी. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगने लगा. And of course I scored very well in the board. I got like 94 95 in accounts. And I remember कि मेरी mom ने ना जाके फिर उस टीचर को बोला था. She was also very proud. Teachers इतने बुरे नहीं होते. She's like, you remember when she got 8 on 80 and now she got this, and that teacher was like, yes, I'm so proud of her. वो तो एक अलग ही घमंड आया. I was like, nice. Anyway, point being, because I started liking accounting, I decided to get into BAF because, you know, let's be fair, in your 10th, in your 12th, we actually don't know कि हमें क्या पसंद है. Something we like one day, something we like the other day, and it's okay. We have to take those chances. मुझे accounting करना ही नहीं था. Accounting के वजह से मैं BAF में चली गई. Because I started liking it so much. Even though मुझे पता था कि मुझे CA नहीं करना बिल्कुल भी. I went blindly just because of one subject. Thinking कि यहाँ से कुछ निकलेगा, वहाँ से CFA निकला, वहाँ से मेरा काम निकला, वहाँ से content निकला. So sometimes we just have to take the chance. So everybody, there's so many of you all who comment, I'm in my 12th grade and I'm not very sure कि मुझे क्या करना है life में. I'm confused between CFA, MBA, CA. अरे you are very young. It is just trial and error. मैं आज तक and हम सब आज तक trial and error कर रहे हैं. Nobody really knows what they 100% like. And honestly speaking, you will never know what you 100% like till you actually get into it. इसका सबसे बड़ा plot twist पता है क्या है? आज मुझे eco बहुत कम पसंद है. After so many years, जिस subject के लिए मैं commerce में आई थी, I started hating that subject after getting into CFA. I was like, एक point पे मुझे business में कुछ करना था because of eco. आज I found my same path. I know my main goal, my own business. I used accounting, I used finance, I'm using other mediums. So sometimes, even if you just think of one main goal, path, don't worry too much कि ये path से जाऊंगी. हर path में आपको रास्ता मिल ही जाएगा, and that is a guarantee. My story is a live example for you. I'm not even joking. Just set your main goal. Okay, for me it was I want to do my own business. For you it can be anything. I want to do my own business. I want to make a lot of money. Then choose your highest intuition. That okay, this is one thing. 85% मुझे यही अब सही लग रहा है. For example, for me it was commerce because I liked eco, I liked maths, I didn't like theory. I was like, चलो let's get in. वहां से एक दूसरा रास्ता खुल गया अकाउंटिंग का, जैसे भी खुला वो स्टोरी चाहे जैसी भी हो, अकाउंटिंग का रास्ता खुला, मैं बैफ में पहुंची। बैफ से आई गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस टू द मीडिया वर्ल्ड सरप्राइजिंगली, बट यस, प्लस आई गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस टू CFA बिकॉज बैफ के सारे बच्चे फाइनेंस ओरिएंटेड थे। CFA से आई गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस टू यू गाइस। सो लाइक आई सेड, यू नेवर नो वेयर लाइफ इज टेकिंग यू। सेट योर एंड गोल एंड बी ब्रेव इनफ टू वॉक ऑन अ पाथ दैट गोज विद योर हाईएस्ट इंट्यूशन। रास्ता निकल ही जाएगा, दिस इज अ गारंटी। सो यस, आज बस दिल किया ये शेयर करने का टू टॉक विद टी में, बिकॉज काफ़ी टाइम से आई थिंक आई हैव नॉट बीन शेयरिंग एक्चुअल तनी स्टोरीज। तो या, दैट इज इट। ऑफ कोर्स नेक्स्ट वीक आई विल गिव यू अ लाइव अपडेट। Live update क्या होता है? Live update, I'll come live also if you guys promise to join the live. So let me know that in the comment section, and if you have any such story, let me know that as well, because I would love to hear it. And if you like this story, तो make sure कि comment में जाके एक red heart डालना. If it inspired you, helped you, then please put a red heart. It would really mean a lot. And of course, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.